have studied till now. What is a circle? Circle is a curve which is obtained by joining all the points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point, and the fixed distance is called radius of the circle and the fixed point is called center of the circle. Next we have studied that what is a tangent. Tangent is a line which passes through the boundary of a circle touching only one point, or we can say that the line passes through boundary of a circle which touches only single point is called a tangent. Next, what is a secant? Secant is a line passes through the circle intersecting the 2 points which are on the boundary of a circle. Next, we have studied how many tangents can be drawn on a circle. Infinite tangents can be drawn on a circle because there are infinite points on a circle. And we have studied that how many tangent can be drawn from a point, where we have studied 3 cases. If the point lie outside the circle, then we can draw at most 2 tangents, and the point lie inside the circle, then no tangent can be drawn from that point. And if point lie on the boundary of circle, only a single tangent can be drawn. Next we will prove a theorem which is very important, because this theorem will be used in mostly questions in first exercise and also in second exercise. What is the result of that theorem? The theorem states that the tangent to a circle is perpendicular. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular to radius through point of contact. Through point of contact. We will prove this result. First of all, we will draw a circle, and we will draw a tangent at point P. Let the radius of circle will be R. Let radius of circle equal to R. R units. Now, if the center is O, then OP will be radius. Now we will take 2 or 3 points on this tangent. Let Q, R, MN is the tangent, and Q, R and S are points on a tangent such that if we join OQ, OR, OS, then the line segment OQ, OR, OS, all these will intersect circle at R dash, Q dash and S dash respectively. Now we can write OR as OR dash plus RR dash. OR, we can write it OR dash plus RR dash. Similarly, OQ, we can write OQ as OQ dash plus QQ dash. OQ, complete OQ can be written as OQ dash plus QQ dash. Similarly, OS can be written as OS dash plus SS dash. Okay, clear? Now OR dash, what is OR dash? OR dash is radius of the circle. Line join the center to the boundary of the circle is called radius of the circle. So OR dash will be radius of the circle. So we can replace OR dash by R plus RR dash. Similarly, OQ dash is also the radius of the circle. So we will replace OQ dash also by R plus QQ dash. And OS dash is also radius of the circle plus SS dash. In these three equations, we have used R. R means radius of the circle. And RR dash. What is RR dash? RR dash is some distance. Maybe very very small, but RR dash is a distance. Similarly, QQ dash is also distance. SS dash is also distance. And if we add a distance to the radius of the circle, then it will be greater than R, because RR dash is a distance and it will be have a positive value. Maybe very very small, but it will be have a positive value. So if we add the positive value to R, then it will be greater than R. And R plus QQ dash, it is also greater than R, and R plus SS dash, similarly it will be greater than R. Now what is OP? OP is equal to R, because OP is a radius, so it will be equal to R. All distances except OP are greater than R. All distances OR, OQ, OS, all these are greater than R, but OP equal to R means smallest distance, the shortest distance between tangent and center of circle. Smallest distance between tangent and circle is OP. OP is equal to R, and all distances are greater than R, means shortest distance between the center of the circle and the tangent of the circle is OP. And all we know about the shortest distance. We have studied in class 9th that the shortest distance is always a perpendicular distance. We know that shortest distance is always a perpendicular distance. Shortest distance is always a perpendicular distance. Means shortest distance is OP, so OP will be perpendicular distance between the center and tangent, means OP perpendicular to tangent MN. So we have proved it.